One of the things that I know I have a problem with, and many of you and my clients have a problem with, is getting to bed on time and not kind of staying up that extra hour where you're not really doing anything. You're maybe watching some show that's just okay, or on YouTube, or looking at your emails, or something that's kind of nonsense and you don't really need to do, but you're just not quite ready to get off the couch and get to bed for whatever reason. So here's a tip that can help just make you a little bit more aware of that and just give you a little bit of an extra push in the right direction so you get more sleep and all the benefits of that. What I like to do is set my alarm when I'm really struggling with this to like a really annoying degree. So if I want to get to bed by 12, I've set an alarm at 11:40 p.m., 11:42, 11:43. Oh, that was supposed to say 11:41. But you get the idea. So like every minute, this thing is going to be going off like a mofo. And basically, I can set as many alarms. I can set like 10, 15 alarms. Eventually, it's going to be so annoying that you're just going to go to bed because it's not worth it. You're being too much of an asshole to avoid it. You're just going to be like, okay, fine, yes, I should really go to bed. By the 10th warning, it's like, okay, I get it, enough. And the nice thing about this is that you can set this up ahead of time. So you're taking the decision out of the moment. So it's not 11:45 and you're kind of watching something that's okay and you just don't feel like peeling yourself off the couch. You've sort of made this decision already, so it's set into action when you're thinking a little bit more clearly and you're not in that moment. That is really the big trick, is you want to set yourself a path that is easy to follow and that's really hard to deviate from. And this is one way to do that. So it's kind of a little silly trick, but it does work sometimes. So give that a try if you are having trouble getting to sleep at a reasonable hour.